How to make a claim on Chase app. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone or any other device. Log in using your Chase username and password credentials. Tap the menu icon located at the top left corner. Select Help and Support from the menu options displayed. Choose File a Claim or a similar option available. Select the type of claim you need to file. Provide required details such as incident, date, description, and amount. Upload any necessary documentation to support your claim. Review the information and entered for accuracy and completeness. Submit the claim through the app. Your claim will be processed accordingly by Chase. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.